So hi and welcome to Text 101. In Text 101 we're going to be digging into a lot of the scripting stuff we went through in the previous section and to take it a little bit further. So what exactly are we building in Text 101, Ben?
Well, it's a good old-fashioned text adventure game, so it's just going to have the tiniest bit of graphic at the top, but after that it's entirely text, and you're just going to be doing the old school reading something and then hitting a key to decide what to do next. And it could be one thing you could do next, or it could be 3 or 4 things you can do next. And by the end of it, you'll have written over 200 lines of code. They're very similar lines of code, but it's still 200 lines of code, so you're going to have a great aha moment at the end and realise you're a proper programmer already.
So it's like a choose-your-own-adventure game, basically.
Yeah, exactly. It's like your choose-your-own-fiction book.
And it's really interesting because what we're actually going to be doing is some fundamental computer science. The way we're going to be building it is using a state machine in the background, and you won't notice it until the end that you've got something that's actually quite generic.
Yeah, and the state machine's a really cool way of doing it on one hand, because you can be very specific about every path you've taken to get to a current state, and you can make very rich output and a very rich response to what the guy is doing.
So it's basically a tool for your toolbox that you can use in the future as well. We're just kind of building your toolbox slowly. You've had scripting, now we're adding some for finite state machines, and we'll be adding into your toolbox throughout the course. So yeah, and really the point of this particular section is they can build and share. People can build and share their own game, right? You can build your own game and then share it. So we really want you to kind of, once you finish this section, make your own adventure, create your own adventure, extend it, make cool stuff with it, and share it with your friends, share it with the other people on the course, share it on the website, share it with the world, basically.
Yeah, or maybe even get a friend of yours to write the story, and they can write the text and just tell you what keys they want to be to allow the player to press and write their own text. Whatever, please create a game, build it for the web, and share it both on the Udemy discussions and on completeunitydeveloper.com/community, or wherever you want to put it on completeunitydeveloper.com. We're not fussy, just share it with the world. So go ahead, follow our game, write your own story, share it with the world, and we'll see you on the other side.
Awesome.